Warren Buffett's management secrets. Number 6. The secret is to working at a job you love. Warren said, "I think you are out of your mind, taking jobs because it will look good on your resume. There comes a time to start doing what you want. Take the job you love. You will jump out of bed every morning." We often end up in jobs we don't like, deluding ourselves that the day will come when we can finally do what we dream of doing. We spend a life of misery and bring it home every day to our family. This suffering starts early in our life, often based on need or greed. Doing this based on greed is very poor management of our lives. It drags us down and destroys our spirit. We may be making a lot of money, but we spend the hours at work miserable. The people who are the most successful are those doing what they love. What drives them is the love of what they are doing. The people who rise to the top love what they are doing. Also make the most money. Loving what they do and earning good money go hand in hand. When looking to employ people to work for you, find people who will love what they are going to do. They will take pride in their work and inspire fellow workers to greatness. These people will be the driving force behind the success of the business. The rule in managing your life. Love what you do. The rule in managing a business. Hire people who love what they do. This will lead to the gold. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, the secret to putting a winning team together.